Hello, friends. I'm Daniel Chi. Yeah, I'm outside in my somewhere around my neighborhood here. In the park side. So it's cold out here, quite alright. Yeah, if you wonder where I am in Italy. Yeah, in Italy today. It's very cold. This is winter. Already you should know December time how it could be. All right. Notwithstanding today's topic, I'll be talking about Titolo di Viaggio and Documento di Viaggio. How to get it, where to go. A lot of time, some people wonder what are they used for? Are they two different things or are they the same thing? Yeah, actually, Titolo di Viaggio is just a traveling permit, while Documento di Viaggio is a traveling document. Yeah. So now, Titolo di Viaggio is only issued to people who has a subsidiary status, who has a subsidiary kind of document, while Documento di Viaggio, the traveling document, is given to those with refugee status who has been recognized, the zero asilo political people with 5 years document, asilo political. So this is two different things. So now for the Titolo di Viaggio, they can only give it to you if you have the subsidiary kind of document, because now let's say now you have this subsidiary and you are not able to obtain a traveling passport, a passport from your country, from your embassy. So now the government here in Italy consider it wise to now issue you this Titolo di Viaggio, which can serve as a traveling document that you can use, traveling permit, like they are giving you this traveling permit that you can use to now travel back home, but it can also be revoked, like at a period they are going to ask you to go get your country's passport. So they can only, it's not it's something that is limited, so it's not like you can use it forever like those that have the Documento di Viaggio, those with the refugee status, because those with the refugee status cannot travel back home. So now this kind of document is given to them. It's not a United Nations document. So now the Documento di Viaggio is blue in color, while the other one is green in color. So that's how to differentiate them. Yeah, with it you can travel to Africa, anywhere, to your home country directly. Why for those with the refugee status cannot really travel directly. They don't have to have contact with their home country anymore. Those with the refugee status, yeah. So some ask if you can use it to get visa to travel to any part of the world. Yeah, you can do that. A lot of people have done that, so it's possible. All you have to do is to go make inquiry with the embassy of the country you are traveling to get more clarification. Yeah, and some say, okay, can you travel with carta d'identità, or yeah, if only you have already obtained the country's passport, then it's possible. But if you only have a permit of stay, like permesso di soggiorno, the one of 6 months, for the people who are still in camp, then it's not that much possible anymore. You understand? So that is it. Maybe I can show you a kind of how Documento di Viaggio, the one for the refugee status, could look like. I think I have one here, so I can make an example of one to you. So please hold on so that you don't get it twisted, okay? Documento di Viaggio, that is the one given to the people with asilo political. Yeah, so I can show you a quick one here. Yeah, hold on a bit. All right, so now this is it. You see, this is it. This is the, now I can show you now. I don't know if you're getting the view. Okay, this is the asilo political, the one they give to the people with refugee status. This very one, you see it, the color, everything, how it looks like. Yeah, the color. But I don't have the one of the subsidiary, the subsidiary type. I don't have that one, but this is the one for Documento di Viaggio. Okay, if you're having the refugee status in Italy, this is how it looks like. It's not a United Nations passport. So people mistake it to be a passport. It's not a passport. It can serve or replace as a passport. You can use it to travel as well. Then until you complete your 5 years residence here, then you can go now to apply for the country's passport or a permanent residence kind of document, you know. So this is it. So that's all I want to do to clarify. Then also, you can get your Titolo di Viaggio. How to get it is at the Questura. You go to the Questura. If you're finding it difficult to obtain a traveling, your country's passport from your embassy, then you can go to the Questura and make a demand for it. It's not expensive. They just ask you to pay, I think, 45 euro. It depends on when you are now going to do yours. Maybe depending on your region, the price could change. So just have it in mind that you have to go with money. So just keep some money with you. Then go to Questura and get the information of the kind of documents you have to present. But it's nothing much. They only ask you for your carta d'identità, codice fiscale, permesso di soggiorno, that is your subsidiary status document. So it's nothing much, no stress around it at all, and your marca de bollo. It's nothing much difficult to obtain. They just go, you do your thumbprint, and within a month it's ready. So that is it. Documento di viaggio is a traveling document. Please, it's a traveling document. Why Titolo di Viaggio is a traveling permit, which has a duration that it can be revoked from you. Then they'll ask you to go get your country's passport. Okay, all right. So even if you are also having the humanitarian document and you have not gotten your country's passport, you can also go apply for the Titolo di Viaggio, a traveling permit. Yeah, you can also get it, pending on the time you will not get your country's passport. Okay, so if you're wondering, once again, you can travel anywhere with it, to your country, anywhere. All right, so see you friends. I'm Daniel Chi. You can just show me some love by liking my video. Any question you can write in the comment section, and you can subscribe, okay, to show me that big love. All right, see you. I hope you're enjoying your country. You're enjoying Italy. Yeah, that's what I mean to say. You're enjoying Italy, huh? Everything, the language, the food, the stress, everything, the hustling, the busting. All right, see you. I'm signing out. Daniel Chi. One love to you. Bye bye.